Here we'll look at a dissection of the bullfrog. Our specimen is Lithobates. We'll begin by learning how to discern males from females. Here we have the tympanum, the external ear. It's larger than the eye, indicating the specimen is male. The tympanum of the same size or smaller than the eye indicates a female. As we look at the external features, we'll go from the front to the rear of the animal. We have the mouth, the nostril, followed by the eye, and the tympanum, which is larger than the eye. Here we have the front leg, the front limb, the body of the animal, and that hind limb with that webbed back foot. You'll dissect the animal open by a line down its middle, lines to the side, and opening the jaw. Here we have the tongue, the larynx, the right atrium, the left atrium, and the ventricle of the heart. The pericardium has been cut open to expose the heart. Here's the lung. If you look on the other side, you'll see another lung over there. There are the fatty bodies of the frog, and if those are moved out of the way, it gives a clearer view of the liver. If that liver lobe is reflected, you can see the gallbladder sitting underneath. There's the gallbladder. Moving to the side, you can see the stomach, well supported by vasculature. And in those small intestines and that mesentery, you can see the pancreas. Moving that aside, you can see the large intestine, again well supported by vasculature embedded in that mesentery. Below that is the urinary bladder, which empties into the cloaca. Here we have a testis. This specimen is male. The fatty bodies sit above the testis. There are vas efferents into the mesentery. The vas efferents are not visible. There's the urinary bladder emptying into the cloaca. There is another testis on the other side. Here we have a female. This is the left systemic arch of the heart. The heart has been blown out by the latex, so is not very discernible. There is, however, the pericardium still present. There's the lung in this specimen. Another one is on the other side. And we have the lobe of the liver. Reflecting that will reveal the gallbladder in this specimen. Right there. Here are the fatty bodies of this female. Moving over, we have the stomach, well vascularized, and we have that pancreas. We also have the mesentery present. We have the intestines winding their way through, the ovary of the frog, and below that, the urinary bladder emptying to the cloaca. Here we have the ostium, the oviduct of that female, a fatty body associated with the oviduct. And if moving things away, you can see where the kidney sits, and moving the ovary out of the way, you can see right there is the uterus of the animal. Again, we have the urinary bladder that empties into the cloaca. Here we have the internal nares and the vomerine teeth.